Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to explain Pixel Visual Core, a special image processing chip used in Google Pixel phones. I will explain everything in very simple words so even everyone can understand easily. So, what is Pixel Visual Core? Pixel Visual Core or PVC is a small extra chip inside Google Pixel phones. It is created by Google mainly to process photos. This chip makes photos clearer, brighter, and faster to process. It first came in the Pixel 2 mobile. It helps the phone do camera work without using too much battery. And then, why do we need this chip? Today's phone cameras do a lot of heavy work like HDR photos, noise reduction, and clicking many photos at once. If we use only the normal CPU or GPU, the phone becomes slow and the battery drains fast. So Google made this special chip just for camera work. That's why your photos look better and processing is faster. Next, core objectives of PVC. This chip has four main aims. That is very low power usage, it saves battery, very high speed, that the photos processing becomes super fast, special support for HDR plus, that is Google's main camera feature, and also to help apps use Google's advanced camera technology. And this is the overall architecture. Pixel Visual Core is actually an ASIC, meaning it's a special chip designed for one purpose. It has 8 image processing units and these work together. It also has a control processor to manage everything. All this is connected with a high-speed memory so photos can be processed quickly. And then the image processing unit, that is IPU. Each IPU is very powerful. It has 512 ALUs. These are small units that do mathematical calculations. With 8 IPUs together, the chip has around 4000 ALUs. Because of this, millions of pixels can be processed at the same time. That is why the camera feels fast and smooth. And then programming with Halide. Google allows developers to use a language called Halide to program the Pixel Visual Core. Halide is specially made for image processing. It converts high-level code into fast instructions for the PVC chip. This makes photo apps even more powerful. And then how PVC speeds up HDR plus. So one of the biggest advantages of this chip is how it speeds up HDR plus. Here's how HDR plus works. The phone takes many underexposed photos quickly, then aligns them, then combines them into one perfect picture. Pixel Visual Core does this very fast and with very low battery usage. This is why pixel photos look clean even in the low light. And then performance gains. This chip is up to 5 times faster than the phone's CPU for photo tasks, and it uses 10 times less power compared to the GPU. Because of this, features like night sight and video stabilization work smoothly. And these are the applications. Pixel Visual Core is used in better photography, HDR plus, night sight, portrait mode, and etc. And in AR and VR visuals, then real-time video editing, and on device like machine learning, object detection, segmentation, and etc. So it's not only for photos but many visual tasks. And these are the advantages and limitations. And the advantages where it is very low battery usage, super fast performance, great for photo and video quality, and limitations where it cannot do general tasks like a CPU, only works or image and video tasks, used only in Google Pixel devices. And then here we come to the conclusion part. That is, to conclude, Pixel Visual Core is a special chip that makes Google Pixel cameras one of the best in the world. It shows how creating a chip for a specific purpose can give better performance than normal processors. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.